Hey friends, welcome back to another video. As you know, in the following weeks I will be sharing Bundt cake recipes with you. I have at least 20 recipes I want to share with you. All very easy recipe. Even children can make these recipes. So for today's video, I'll be making the very moist and delicious red velvet Bundt cake. I hope you enjoy to watch this video. So let's start to make this recipe. Always before I start my recipes, I like to turn my oven on, and after I get my cake tin prepared, I'm using the 8-inch or 20 centimeters cake tin. After that, I use just about half tablespoon of food coloring red. I add to the buttermilk, and after we start prepare the recipe. To a bowl I add a sugar, a soft butter, and I mix it until it become very soft and cream. It's just help a cake to be more moist. And after that we add eggs. I'll be leaving the list of the ingredients in the description box for you. And we add as well the vanilla extract. Vanilla extract here is just optional. If you don't want to, or if you don't like, you don't have to. After we keep it, after we mix the eggs and the butter and the sugar, we start to add the dry ingredients. We add flour. I'm using just a 2 tablespoon of corn flour for this recipe here, cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Don't worry about the quantities because I'm gonna leave it all in the description box for you. And we add the buttermilk, and we mix all into all the ingredients become very all incorporated. We don't over mix this cake. After that, we transfer for the tin, and I bake this cake for about 35 or 40 minutes at 170 degrees. My oven is an electrical oven, so I always bake the cake between 170 to 180 degrees. And it was just simple. Even your kids can make this cake if you have kids at home. It's a good cake just for a tea time, even to take to a picnic. Just simple and delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed to watch this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video with another Bundt cake recipe for you. If you have any recipe that you like to see me make it, let me know in the description box. I will make it for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.